Is spring cleaning necessary for Chinese New Year? The Spring Festival during Chinese New Year is a 15-day festival that celebrates the many beautiful traditions and customs of China. It can be divided to 3 periods, including the days preceding the actual festival, the festival days, then the days following the Spring Festival. Top tips on spring cleaning for Chinese New Year. Make use of organizers. One of the best things you can make use of would have to be organizers. You can find a ton of bins and organizers at your local craft stores or dollar stores. Organizers will allow you to put all your essentials in its place so that you won't end up losing your important items. Start small. In addition to that, it is important to start small. Don't try to clean everything all at once because you will likely not get the job done correctly. Start by cleaning bits and pieces of everything. Set an hour or 2 Indiana a day for cleaning. Even if you're the busiest person on the planet, there should always be an extra hour or 2 that you have to spare. Instead of watching television or going online to browse, consider using that time to clean up. Throw out unnecessary stuff. Furthermore, it is vital to throw out as much unwanted stuff from your house as possible. The more you throw out, the easier it will be to clean up. The benefits to having a clean house for the new year. The main benefit to cleaning your home for the Chinese New Year is the fact that it will bring great fortune into your life. Your home attracts a lot of energy, and having a dirty house can really bring some negativity into your life. One of the best natural ingredients you can use to clean harsh stains and molds would have to be vinegar. Although using chemical-based products is completely fine, natural is always safer, plus they get the job done quite effectively. The onset of this coming season will bring in new desires and hopes which you may be been eagerly anticipating for the coming year. Having a genuine Oriental feel when it comes to your cleaning can also help to attract more positivity to your life. After your house is tidy and clean, be sure to decorate your home to better attract positivity and luck into your life.